Good morning, friends. Today is Monday, May 11th, and today we are going to be talking about rainbows, what they are, how they're created, and throughout the rest of the week, we're going to delve a little bit more into the colors that make up a rainbow. Are you ready? So let's start by talking about what a rainbow is. A rainbow is actually light being reflected at a certain angle. So when you see a rainbow in the sky, it is the sunlight reflecting off of water or rain droplets. You also might see rainbows around your house, maybe when the sun hits your windows a certain way, or if you have a fancy chandelier hanging up in your house, when the sunlight hits the crystals in the chandelier, it might create rainbows. Now, light is a type of energy, meaning it can move really fast, and energy is the ability to do work or be active. So when your parents are telling you you have a lot of energy, you're probably running around your house. The energy of light is broken into small parts, and these small parts move together in what we call waves, or in the scientific world, light waves. Now, if you're to look at a picture of sunlight, because you should never look directly at the sun, you might notice that it looks white. But in reality, sunlight holds all the colors mixed together, and each color has its own wavelength. Depending upon the type of color will determine how big that wavelength is. Red, for example, has the biggest wavelength, and purple has the smallest. Drops of water can bend these waves of light, and when they do, the color waves line up. The colors always line up in the same order, from the biggest wavelength to the smallest. Now in this book, Light Makes a Rainbow by Sharon Cohn, there is a page that talks about the different colors that you might see in a rainbow. It goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Or Roy G. Biff. Now like we said, red has the biggest wavelength, and violet, or purple, has the smallest. And you will always find the rainbow in this order. Now when you're outside and you see a rainbow after a thunderstorm or while it's even still raining, it's because the sunlight is reflecting off of those water droplets to show you all the colors. Now in your learning packets, friends, on the very front, there is a Make a Rainbow page. And it has the colors listed in order of their wavelengths, or how you would see them in a real rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Your goal for today is to decorate this rainbow however you would like. You can use crayons, you can use paint, you can even tear up pieces of paper and glue it on, but I want to see you make your rainbow in order of those colors. Don't forget to take a picture and post it to class tag so that everybody can see. So let's review what we've learned about rainbows. A rainbow is made when light from either the sun or a flashlight reflects off of a surface, like a raindrop or the crystals in a chandelier at home, or sometimes even just your window. When the light reflects, it bends, which breaks that sunlight into different wavelengths, and those wavelengths go with each color, and you will always see a rainbow in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now that you know a little bit more about rainbows, friends, I encourage you to take a flashlight around with you today to see if you can get that light to create a rainbow. Now remember, it needs to reflect off of a surface that can bend the light. So a glass of water that has condensation on the outside, which is the little water droplets. Or maybe the crystal chandeliers in your house. Or maybe the back of a DVD. Let me know if you were able to do it, and I will talk to you later. Bye.